Most people have no idea where their money goes. A 30-minute financial audit often uncovers $200 to $500 in monthly spending that's either wasteful or completely forgotten. Export from your bank and every credit card as CSV or PDF. Combine everything in one place. You need the full picture. Most people are surprised by categories they forgot existed. Search transactions for Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Apple, Gym, Amazon apps. Average American has 4 subscriptions they forgot about. Average $85 per month. Cancel anything you haven't used in 30 days. You can always resubscribe. Most people underestimate food spending by 40 to 60%. Include DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, coffee shops, and restaurants together. Compare this number to your grocery spend. The ratio is usually shocking. Get competing quotes for car and home insurance every 2 years. Most people can save $200 to $600 per year by switching providers. Bundle home plus auto with the same company for additional discount. Cancel the wastes. Adjust the categories. Redirect to savings. Create budget categories based on actual, not ideal, spending. Automate the savings before anything else hits your account. Free spending audit worksheet and monthly budget tracker at funbiz.gumroad.com. Find your hidden money. Download for free at the link. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.